Hello everybody, today we're going to be discussing the easiest way to solve magnification questions. We're going to start off with looking at the formula, which is image length equals to the actual length multiplied by the magnification. Now I'm going to tell you a mnemonic that will help you solve the questions that come in A-level exam papers, also in biology ATB O-level papers. So the mnemonic is I equals to am. So the sentence basically is I am, right? Now once you have written this down and you have remembered the sentence, you can rearrange the formula for whatever you need to find. For example, if they're asking you to find the actual length of something, then you can simply take m to the other side and divide it by I. If they're asking you to find the magnification, then you can simply take a to the other side and divide it by I over a, right? So this is very simple, right? Now, sometimes they can give you the actual length or the image length that you measure, or they will give it to you, in a unit other than meters. Note, you need to have the lengths of the image length and the actual length in meters, not millimeters, not micrometers, not nanometers, not anything else. So what you're going to have to do is convert those other units to meters. Now, the most common units that they give you lengths in is micrometer, millimeter, centimeter, and nanometers. So another mnemonic that you can use to remember these conversions is this. I got this picture from Google and it's very helpful. So basically it's a sentence that says, "The great merciful king hates dragons because dragons continuously murder men." This is a mnemonic similar to the one that we learned for the reactivity series in chemistry. So do not think this is difficult. It is extremely simple. So I repeat, the ones that are most commonly given are millimeter. You will have to convert the millimeters to meters, micrometers, centimeters, and where else is it? There are no nanometers mentioned over here, but I'll mention them over here. Nanometers. You need to convert them to meters by dividing them by 1 meter equals to 10 into power minus 9 nanometers. Alright? So we're going to do some example questions that will help you understand how simple these questions really are. So this is a question from 9700 variant 1-2 October November 21. Let's solve it. The question says, a scale bar on an electron micrograph is 2 centimeters long and represents an actual length of 1 micrometer. What is the magnification of the electron micrograph? They're asking for magnification. Let's remember the formula, I equals to m. Rearrange the formula, I over a. Now, the image length they have given as 2 centimeters long. We will convert that into meters by dividing it by 100. 100 has 2 zeros, hence minus 2. And the actual length is 1 micrometer. Now note, this is the symbol for micro. It looks like this. This is micrometer. It does not look like this. It looks like this. Alright? And it has, 1, right? So 1 into 10 power minus 6. Now, they give micrometers so recurringly that you will simply remember that when you want to convert micrometers to meters, you will multiply it by 10 power minus 6, which is the same as dividing it by a million, because a million has 6 zeros. Now let's calculate this in our calculator, but an easier way I can do it like is 10 minus 2 into 10 power plus 6, because this goes over there. So 10 into 10 power 4, which I can see is right over here. So C is the answer. Alright, do you see how simple that was? Do you see how simple that was? Now let's move on to the next question. 970012 May, June 21. Let's look at this question. The mean width of mitochondria in an electron micrograph is 6 millimeters. The magnification of the electron micrograph is times 9600. What is the actual mean width of the mitochondria? Let's write this down. Actual, right? We're trying to find the actual one. So I over m. The image length is given as, image length from the micrograph is 6 millimeters. So 6 into 10 power minus 3. Now another hint is that milli always equals to 10 power minus 3. Milli means 1,000, alright? So millimeter, 1,000th of a meter, right? And magnification is 9600, 9600. So let's use our calculator over here. We have 6 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 9600. That gives us a value of 6.25 into 10 power minus 7. 6 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Now, as we can see that they haven't given their answers in meters, they have actually used millimeters or micrometers. So let's see. All right, let's convert this to millimeters. 2 millimeters by dividing it by 1,000, which will give us 6 into 10 power minus 7 plus 3, which is 6 into 10 power minus 4 millimeters. Is that somewhere here? Oh, there it is. B. B is our answer. Now we're going to do this one. Now this might seem difficult to you, but let's see. We're going to measure the length that is given to us over here from 0. We're starting off with 0 and we're ending over here. Starting our measurement from here and ending it over here, and we can see it's about 14.4. Right? So what is the magnification? I equals to AM. Magnification equals to I over A. Image length is 14.4 centimeters, so we're going to convert that to meters by dividing it by 100. And the actual length is 350 micrometers. You can see how many times they've used micrometers in the past year or two. So 10 power minus 6. Let's use the calculator over here to find the magnification. 14.4 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 350 into 10 power minus 6. That gives us a value of 411. And this. Another question. Yes, we do. Let's see. They're saying the actual diameter of a prokaryotic cell is 0.5 micrometers. You can see we have micrometers here again. And the electron micrograph of the cell has a magnification of 50,000. What is the diameter of the cell in the image? So they've given you the actual length. They've given you the magnification. They're asking you to find the image length. I equals to AM. A is 0.5 into 10 power minus 6 into 50,000. Let's see what we get in the calculator for this. I'd like you guys to solve this with me so that you're actually understanding stuff and not just watching another video. So the answer we get is 0.025. Now how are you going to convert this to this? 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Now we want to convert this to millimeters. We're going to divide it by 1,000. So we get 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power 3, because when it goes up, the sign changes to a plus. So we get 2.5 into 10 power 1 millimeters. That's all. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.